Hey guys, good morning. As usual, I'm sleepy. I slept about 2 o'clock and I woke up at 7:30. So that's 5.5 hours. That's not enough sleep. Then I was up for a while, read the news, whatever I did, and tried to sleep for about half an hour more, about 40 minutes. But then I didn't sleep. I just lay down. So I'm counting half an hour. That's about 6 hours. So, but I've scheduled like 1.5 hours in the afternoon to sleep. Otherwise, I won't be able to operate later. The problem is that now 10 o'clock I have a boxing session. So 10 to 11:30. After that, I have a trial dance class which I'm going to. There are two dance classes, salsa and bachata. 1 and 2. I'll most likely check out the salsa one and I'll attend the bachata one. So that should be done by 3 o'clock. So after that, I come back, I'll review the video that's being edited, send timestamps to my editor, post some shit from the trip which I need to post on the Model Amarwani Instagram page, because that I'll be using as my travel page. After that, I'll sleep for like 1.5 hours. Then I'll head for an early dinner before the show. The shows are 8 and 10. I hope the tickets selling, because Friday 9 p.m. got cancelled. That's really frustrating. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. Let's see how it goes.
Hey guys, I'm back from the boxing class. I'm really tired. I need like 15-20 minutes to rest also, but I also have a dance class, a trial dance Latin class. It's called bachata. There's also salsa at one, but I can't make it to one. So I'll do the bachata class. I'm doing it like after 10-15 years. A ballroom dance kind of a session. Although I want to learn hip hop, but I'm going for a trial bachata class. So that's at 2. It's noon right now. So I have to rush. I'm making some breakfast, or whatever, brunch now. I had the roll yesterday at 8:30. So it's about 15.5 hours since I've eaten. Like, I also had an omelette at 10:30, but that doesn't count because that's not food, right? I just had it because otherwise I'd be really hungry later. I shouldn't sleep so late. I mean, if I do Delhi, I'll do it like not 11 o'clock show. Yesterday there was nothing else available, so I'd taken it because they're giving me hosting, so fine, whatever. These are exceptions. I'm sleepy, but I have to hit a bachata class. After that, I'll come and do my work. Shampoo at their show, 2 shows. I also have to meet a lawyer tomorrow, or a few lawyers. I need to like. Oh, fuck that. So that's just administrative shit. So fuck that. So fine. Okay, catch you guys later. Hey guys, so the day has been out of plan. I don't know. I mean, I went for the bachata class in the afternoon. After the gym. After that, I tried to rest for a while, but my sleep's been a problem for the last 1 week. I've not been able to sleep properly. I tried to sleep for 90 minutes. That was a catch-up slot because I had only about 5 hours of sleep last night. So, but I couldn't sleep. I woke up in like 15-20 minutes, and then I tried to sleep, but I just couldn't. The sleep has been an issue. But fine, the shows finally happened. The tickets were low, but then eventually they caught up with offline tickets or whatever. So decent, about 10-12 people sitting. So I just did one show. There's the other show is at 10. After that, I'll go and walk in Galleria for a while. I just had my dinner. Decent paneer steak, so I had that. Yeah. So I think I've been managing my appetite and my food pretty well, but I'm still not hitting under 60 again. I've just hit once in this month, but I need to. I don't know why am I not doing it. I'm trying so hard. Like, even the breakfast that I had today was after 16 hours, and I did advanced boxing. But even after that, I did not hit under 60. But I don't know. Maybe I don't need to hit under 60. Maybe I just need to figure out how to reduce the belly fat. Maybe I need to use a trainer or coach to figure that out. So bachata I enjoyed, so I'll figure out what to do about that. Swimming is also on from next month because I bought the cult pack. So that's an important thing I'm going to do. I'm going to be like, in terms of, I'm trying to be one of the most active people of my age in the world. That's what I'm going to do. So cool. Hope you're feeling happy. Hope you're feeling good. Okay, and I think the next clip would be the day review only, because or maybe I'll have some more thoughts, because thoughts keep popping in my mind and I keep recording videos. That's how this vlog works, guys. By the way, that's how this vlog works. It's a vlog of my life. It's a diary of my life, guys. 65 vlogs now. It's literally the diary of my life. So if you ever watched it, if you still watch it, like, I'm really grateful. Really, really grateful. Thank you. Hey guys, day review. I'm damn sleepy and I shouldn't be walking, but I'm walking because I'm stupid. I should be sleeping because I had last night about 5 hours of sleep because I came from Delhi, and then I woke up pretty early in the morning, and then I had a morning gym, and I shouldn't be awake right now. I should be sleeping, but I'm walking. But cool. What did I do during the day? So I attended a experimental bachata class today as a trial class. I'm thinking it is fun, but I'm thinking what to do about it because there's too much I'm trying to accommodate into my schedule and I don't have so much time. But this is largely a strategy in terms of movement and fitness, which I'm trying to make an important part of my life. So that's the reason I'm doing all this. I'm also learning swimming from next month, so I'll be a swimmer next month, which I've not been my entire life. So yeah, that's something I'm excited about. Bachata, I don't know, we'll see. I'm more interested in hip hop because that fits my rhythm, which is fast and speed. But I'll experiment with that. So that's there. The shows were fine. I'm happy I made people laugh, and I'm gonna really crash in the next half an hour. Okay, so hope you're doing well. Hope you're happy. Good night. Bye.